everyone and welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you how you could apply the minus sign to an entire column or to an entire table even. So first of all, go to any empty case and type, or a row, and type -1. Next step, click on -1, click Ctrl C, select the row or the table or the column to which you want to apply the minus sign, and make sure to select everything which you want. Here I want this column. Next step, click on the right button of the mouse and select Paste Special. Select Multiply and click OK. As you can see, I have applied the minus sign to my entire column. You can apply this even to an entire table array. Once done, click Save, and this should save what you have done to your table. Thank you guys for watching, and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.